Hi, good morning, boys and girls. I want to read a story for you today. It's called Noisy Farm. We could see some farm animals here, and we'll also see their babies. It says, this is a cow. She lives in a barn with her spotted calf. The cow likes to eat grass. You see, here is the cow, and we have a baby cow. It's called a calf. Can you moo like a cow? Do you hear the cow? This is a rooster. He wakes up the farm each day with a loud crow. He lives with a hen and chicks. So these are chickens. We have the rooster, we have the hen, and we have the baby chicks. Can you crow like a rooster? These are piglets. They are baby pigs. They like to play in the straw and roll in the mud. They have curly tails. We have the pig and we have piglets. Can you oink like a piglet? There we go. These are lambs. Lambs are baby sheep. They like to jump and play. So we have our sheep and we have the lambs. Can you baa like a lamb? You hear the lamb? This is a horse with her foal. The horses are the fastest animals on the farm. They like to gallop through the fields. We have our horse, and the baby is a foal. Can you neigh like a horse? You hear the horse? Now that you visited the farm, which animal is your favorite? Can you make all of the animal sounds? That was a nice book, right? It talks about the animals and the babies. So sometimes the babies have different names. But I have an activity for you so we can match the baby to the mommy animal. Ready? See, here we have a puppy. Now, who would be the mom for the puppy? Do you think it's a panda, a dog, or a horse? I think it's a dog. Got it. We have a piglet. Remember we saw a piglet in the story? Who would be the mommy for the piglet? Is it a zebra, a sheep, or a pig? Pig. We have a baby. Who's the mommy for this baby? Is it a sheep? Is it a mother? Or is it a panda? A mother. Oh, we have a lamb. Who's the mommy for the lamb? We have sheep, goose, or a cow? Think it's a sheep. And we have a kitten. Who's the mommy for the kitten? Is it a dog, a cat, or a tiger? Think it's the cat. And here we have a kid. This is a baby kid. Who is the mommy for a kid? Is it a goat, a deer, or a horse? I think it's a goat. And here we have a gooseling. Who's the mommy for the gooseling? Is it a mother, a goose, or a hen? I think it's a goose. Here's our fowl. Who's the mother for this fowl? Is it a pig, a horse, or a goat? Horse. And here's a duckling. Who's the mother for the duckling? We have duck. Oh, sorry. We have a chick. Here's a baby chick. Who is the mother for this chick? We have woodpecker, a duck, or a hen. I think it's hen. Now, who is the mother for this calf? Is it a goat, a cow, or a horse? It's a cow. We have a cub. Who is the mother for this cub? Is it a horse, a deer, or a tiger? A tiger. This is a bunny. Who is the mother for the bunny? Is it tiger, rabbit, or cat? Rabbit. And this is a cub. Also, we call this a cub. Who's the mother for this cub? Is it a panda, a sheep, or a koala? I think they look the same. I think it's the panda. And now this is called a calf. Who is the mother for the calf? Is it a mother, an elephant, or a woodpecker? Elephant. And this is also a fowl. Who is the mother for this fowl? Is it a zebra, a panda, or a cow? We have zebra. And this is called a joey. Who is the mother for this joey? Do you think it's a koala, a panda, or an elephant? I think he looks like the koala. This is a fawn. Who is the mother for this fawn? Do you think it's a goat? Is it a deer or a rabbit? Deer. And this is a chick. These are baby chicks. Who's the mother for these baby chicks? Is it a hen, a koala, or a woodpecker? It looks like the woodpecker. We're all done. So you can practice at home. You can also practice at home. Practice the names of the baby animals, like a pig is a piglet, a cow is a calf, a horse is a fowl, and a lot of them are cubs. The bears are baby cubs, so a panda bear, it would be a baby cub. And you can practice all of these names at home as well. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.